What's up? How's it going, guys? I'm back, or you're back, right? Today we're gonna go over how to draw a dinosaur. One of my favorite dinosaurs called the Parasaurolophus. It's gonna be just a headshot. It's got a very long, kind of pointed back of the head. You've seen it all over the place, and it's in Jurassic World as well. But yeah, that's pretty much it. What I want to do is, yeah, hop right into the lesson. Short as well, so let's hop right in. If you love dinosaurs, stick all the way to the very end of this, all right? Let's do it. Okay, let's jump into this Parasaurolophus. It's kind of like the headshot. So, first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to go and I'm going to draw a line outward here, just a small line for that top edge of the lip down over here. Right? Look at the top lip here. Line over here, kind of a S curve. Alright. Down here. Curve underneath. Alright, I'm going to go over here and I'm going to pull back right there. Like real long. That's one of the most telling things about this dinosaur. It's got this really long pointed head in the back there. I'm not sure what it's for, right? It made it make noise or something. Yeah. Excuse me. I'm going to pick a spot in which I'm going to pull it back here. So I'm going to pull it back down about here. Okay. Very unique head shape. I really love this dinosaur too. I hope you do too, by the way. If you do like this stuff, if you like dinosaurs, hit that like. Because I want to put more dinosaur videos, and I need the green light. The green light would be hitting that like. That would absolutely let me know what's going on. Line over here for underneath the jaw area. Then I'm going to pull back here. Over here on this side. Down. Alright. Doing good, right? And I think actually, to be honest, it kind of reminds me of like the alien head from Aliens a little bit. Line back here for the throat area, and it's gonna pull down over here. Let's go the nostril, kind of around this, and more or less it's gonna be like a comma or quotation mark kind of sign. Over here, the eye. Actually, before that, I'm gonna draw a thin line over here, kind of leading up. It's gonna show a difference of, you know, form or area. And over here, now I'm gonna draw the eye. Curve on the top here. The sides got this round, kind of doe eye kind of thing going on. Lined underneath. I know they kind of always portray these dinosaurs as like cows or something, right? Like line up over here, line over here. They're kind of more or less just kind of prey for predators to come pick off sometimes. Line here underneath, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull a line down here, and I'm gonna fill in this area here to kind of show that there's a shadow pattern underneath, and I want to kind of ground the entire design here. And then what I'm going to do here is I want to give it texture, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw, see these thin lines right here in a circular manner because it's like a neck. Just right here randomly up, right? They have to be thin though because they're coming off as a texture, right? And you always want it to do that. That's kind of what we're doing here. Line over here. And it's like wrapping around. That's a really big part of it. Line over here for the cheekbone. line over here. Kind of a thin line for the upper lip there, and then over here as well. It's gonna be thin, right? Everything thin will come off as detail, and that's kind of what you want. You want that, you know, just kind of thin, wispy kind of line here on this, like even right here as well. Just thin, very, very thin, because again, it's all adding to this scaly texture that they, you know, they had. Right over here. Maybe get a little bit more cheekbone there. And again, everything is extra. Like all of this stuff I'm doing is completely extra on top. But that's a Parasaurolophus head. If you want to see another dinosaur like head, absolutely let me know and I'm going to make it happen. I want you to reach out to me like in the comments and say, hey, what dinosaur do you want to see? I've drawn a lot of dinosaurs, but don't worry about it. Let me know if I've done it before. Maybe I can do like a different version of it. But like request them, absolutely, okay? Talk to you later. I'll see you soon. The last thing I'll let you do is hit that share button. Absolutely share the video anywhere, whether it be Reddit or Pinterest or anywhere like that. When you share it, it brings this huge boost of positivity to the channel that I really love. And that's it. Thank you so much. I'll talk to you next time, all right? See you around. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.